awan ni Children Hospital, awan dawai di Dr. Arpita. Di dawai tang sebenarnya ngala armet ya langsung tu ba ini kita dawai jadi Dr. Arpita itu kita rekam ya di tang sebenarnya yang ada menu-menu di Papua penulis dawai ini Dr. Arpita ya sawan Hani Children Hospital di Dr. Arpita IVF Dr. Arpita ikawan sisin
ban penina mi kijing than ba kijing shna ba pher dikiti badu manang ai man sia mi ginong thanjan ne keleng gijala kari ka College of Community Science Central Agricultural University kabadan Hatura Meghalaya ha kijing trailang bad ka ICAR NINFET Kolkata ka ICAR CICR Nagpur Deen Dayal Research Institute bad ka ICAR CRIGAF Barakpur Keleple perdai ke National Symposium kebajar kerteng Threads of Heritage Exploring Traditional Textiles and Natural Fibers. Naduk arpunyo haduk arp kendai trek ukala lengkot hajar arpusan. Yang ini ke program lepen long hak pelau jangka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Umiam haga distrik Riboy. Haga sengi belepli perdai ke program lawan benishim benta do Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma haga jinan langru ka Archana Chitnis MLA ka Burhanpur Vidhan Sabha Constituency, Atul Jain General Secretary jangka Deen Dayal Research Institute, Dr. Jyoti Vastrat Dean ka College of Community Science CAU Tura, Dr. A Mishra Vice Chancellor ka Sekolah Ba CAU Imphal, nalor kinong Thanjan bat kinong shnadik gikti na keleng kijela jangkari. Habakran akan kesmi Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan pawe ke jingkemen banedan bentalang akan ke program ke bab inam bat ban Kyntiew ka kamthan ba ka kam snajing kekti ke bemi na keleng gejela jongkari da ba kedawru ba ka kamthan ke de kawin ki kam ke balalong tenrai bat ke baru spa ba ke jela Meghalaya ulong ru ba ke jenglong kerpang lor kesap thanjan lang ba kiksai ke jingthan umen barim habatan yagi jingking jeri ha gejela ha kaba ki pateng jong khasi bajantia ki leplut bhai ka por gabor banthan ya kini ki jingking jeri shosho ulapen benai ke jingshim kya de sarkar jela ban Kyntiew ke jingpen mi ya ki karkhana siaj la pleru ya ka cultural and textile exhibition ban inam ki karthan bagi jingpen mi ki tiar basnahi ki bapen mi keleng gejela bala plat ru ka souvenir jangka National Symposium.
Next, I would like to call upon Shri Reginald Kyntiew.
You see, being able to recognize this aspect, the importance of the traditional textile and handloom sector that we have in the northeast region of our country, and giving it the importance and giving the recognition to the artisans and the weavers who have been doing it just because they have so much of passion and love for it and not being recognized at all for it. And today, being here on stage in front of Honorable MLA from Madhya Pradesh, in front of the Chief Minister, getting a small pat on the back, I think means a lot. These are small things, maybe very normal for Honorable MLA and myself because we keep doing this. But you can imagine what is going into the experience and mind and heart of the person who has never experienced this before and being recognized for something they've been doing for their entire lifetime. So I think it's really amazing and it's really good and something that I really appreciate. So yes, you do deserve a round of applause for that. Also, I've been talking about this a lot, that this word weaving, you see, I'm really, very inspired, I should say, by this word weaving. It means so much more than what, meets the eye. And when you talk about the textiles, the traditional wear and the handloom, you see, it's not just weaving the clothes or the threads that we are doing. We're weaving our history, our culture. our heritage into this. And that is what makes it so exciting and makes it so unique. And that is the reason why, for me, this is very, very special. All of you who are involved in this, remember, it's not about just a livelihood. It's not about just weaving something. As I said, you are ensuring that the identity of our people, our culture will remain for generations to come. And that is the real contribution that you are making to the society, to our people, to your people, and to the world as a whole, because the world will see this entire aspect of the culture and heritage and the identity of our people through what work that you are doing, through the weaving that you're doing into the threads in the clothes. But as I said, while you do that, you're weaving our culture, our history, our heritage, and our identity.